Hello world! Welcome back to another CTFlearn challenge video. In this video, we'll be walking through the programming challenge, Weird Android Calculator. Let's get into it. I've found this very weird Android application. Seems to be some kind of calculator, but there's something strange with it. Can you find out what it is? And then they give you the link to the file, the flags in the format capital FLAG, whatever. Note, you don't really need an Android device to solve this, but it might be helpful. Okay, just like the challenge says, we're not going to use an Android device to solve this. What we are going to do is we're going to take our weird calculator APK file, which it'll give you through this link right here that it gives you in the challenge description, and we're going to open up in JADX, which is just a decompiler for Java. And you can open up APKs in here and it'll unpack them for you. And we're going to expand source code once it loads up. Then we're going to expand this Vidar weird calculator. And we're going to expand this parser, and then we're going to click this anonymous class 1 internal parser. Then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to find this Flary integer array that's being XORed with the number 1337. So what this code is doing, essentially, is looping through all the integers in this integer array, and then XORing each one to 1337, and then converting that value to a string, which is essentially converting a decimal to ASCII, or an ordinate to a character in Python, which is how we're going to solve this. So we're going to take these integers, and we're going to copy those, and then we're going to go to my solve.py script that I have here, and we're going to define a list called Flary, since that's how they had it. I'm just going to keep the same naming convention. And we're going to paste those integers into that list. And then we're going to loop through each integer in Flary. And then we're going to print out the character mapping of each of those integers XORed with 1337. And then we're going to put a little end equals that so that it prints it all on one line. Otherwise, it'll print everything on separate lines. And I need to put an I in there since you can't just do for I Flary. You had to do for I in Flary. That was a typo on my part. We'll run that. And we get our flag. APK analysis is rather easy, isn't it? So we'll copy that, paste it in, and submit. All right, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comment section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.